This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable drink lids, specifically these Bev Tek Pop and Lock or 2-in-1 straw and sip coffee lids. The Pop and Lock lids come in white, clear, gray, and black, and the 2-in-1 straw and sip come in white or black or clear as well. So you've got some great options to pair with a variety of different cups, and these will actually work with the Bev Tek frosted cups or with paper coffee cups as well. And we've got two on there just to show you. The Pop and Lock lids have some great nifty little features. Mainly, they've got a nice elevated drinking spout for easy sipping and a nice wide hole. And they have this little arm on there that can pop into the opening to keep it closed, meaning no spills in between sips. And when a customer wants to drink, there's actually a little rest in the back that will fit into. Right, there we go. And that'll keep it in place in between sips. And it makes for a nice, easy, secure drinking experience, especially if people are going to be walking around with beverages, particularly hot ones. And you can see we've got one in action right there on one of our clear frosted cups. The 2-in-1 sip lids feature a hole that can be punched out for a nice straw, which makes a beautiful sippy cup, or it features a little slide. So you can slide open and closed, making for a nice drinking experience, because if you want to take big sips, you can make a much bigger opening with these, which is fantastic. So sometimes you really want to, get hydrated, stay hydrated, drink your coffee while it's still nice and warm. And that's going to give you a nice opening that's adjustable based on your desired preference. So it's a beautiful little feature there that can be closed and secured again. So it gives you a nice drinking experience, especially for hot beverages where people are going to be more worried about spills. These lids can be used with both hot or cold beverages and are microwave safe. They're made of BPA-free plastic, and they're also recyclable, meaning they're going to be as easy to use as they are to clean up afterwards, right? They can just be tossed in the recycling bin, which is fantastic. They're great for preventing spills and to use especially as sippy cup options in that 2-in-1. So if you're a restaurant and you cater to families and sometimes have small children, these are a nice option to click on either plastic cups or paper cups to create nice little sippy cups. You just need a straw. Help prevent spills, which is fantastic. And they're a great option for cafes, coffee shops, restaurants, anything that does drinks on the go or is doing a hot drink service where customers are going to take items with them. And they're also great for caterers for all types of functions and events, or even just your office break room if your employees need to be able to take things on the go to meetings or back to their desk.